So hey geeks, it's Karthik and you are watching Codolon. Guys, in the previous video we have discussed about when to use yield instead of return in Python, and in this video we are going to discuss about try except with else in Python. So before getting late, let's get started. And guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have liked this video, subscribe to Codolon Doc channel and follow us on Instagram. So let's start. So guys, as usual, let's open up Visual Studio Code and create a new file, and that file name gonna be try underscore except.py, and let me close this explorer. Guys, an exception is an event which occurs during the execution of the program, and guys, it is also known as a runtime error. When that error occurs, Python generates an exception during the execution, and that you can handle, which avoids a program to interrupt. So guys, let's try out. So first of all, you have to type 5 and assign that variable with the number. So in this case I will assign a with 50 and b with 100, not 100, 0. And you have to type print a divided by b, something like this. So let me close my caps lock and Ctrl to save, and you have to click on this icon, and here you can see guys, there's an error. So this is called the runtime error. So guys, now exception handling with try, except, else and finally. So guys, try, this block will test the accepted error to occur, and the except, here you can handle the error. Else, if there is no exception, then this block will be executed. Finally, block always gets executed either exception is generated or not. So guys, let's understand how try exception works. First of all, try clause is executed either the code between try and except clause. If there is no exception, then only one try clause will run, except clause will not get executed. If any exception occurs, the try clause will be skipped and except clause will be run. So guys, now let's write some code, and here I will type second program, something like this, and after that you have to create a function, and that function name gonna be divide, and then you have to type x comma y. Then we have to add a try keyword, and then guys, we have to type result, then is equal to x slash slash y, and then you have to type print the answer is, and you have to type comma result, something like this. And after that guys, you have to type except, and then you have to simply type 0 division arrow, something like this, and then you have to type print, and you have to type sorry, something like this, and you have to type comma, not comma, you have to type sorry, and then we have to type divide, and we have to type 3 comma 2, then divide, and then 3 comma 0. Ctrl to save, and now run this file guys. So you can see there is an error. So let me comment out this, and now run this program. So you can see guys, the answer is 1 and soy is printed. So guys, now the else clause. So guys, in for understanding, I just mean to understand the else clause better, so we will write some codes. So here I will type else clause something like this and comment out this. And then guys, you have to create a function, and that function name gonna be divide. So guys, let me copy this code. First of all, let me comment out this and copy and paste it here. And guys, in this try, you have to simply type not try, after the except you have to type else, and you have to type print yeah, something like this, and the answer is, and we have to type result. Control to save. And guys, if I run this program, so you can see guys, yeah, the answer is 1. Sorry, you are divided by 0. So guys, I hope you understand this try except else and finally in Python. I just mean, I hope guys you understand try except else finally in Python. And guys, in the next tutorial we will learn something more about Python. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. So bye bye.